Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can see your story on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here and now click settings. Now click privacy and safety and now click story controls and now click public, and that's it. Click save and it will be saved, and that's how to make everyone can see your story. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.